Have you seen these traditional Japanese sweets? You might recognize it from Rurouni Kenshin. They are called Ohagi or Botamochi, depending on the season or places in Japan. If you like Anko, also known as sweet red bean paste, and mochi, this is a must-try recipe for you. It's simple, sweet, and comforting flavor. The traditional way to make ohagi uses glutinous rice, but I think it's hard to find them in lots of countries. So I made this recipe using glutinous rice flour instead. Not only they are easy to get, but they are also cheaper and easier to make. So let's get started! Here is the ingredients you need to make 4 ohagi or botamochi. 40 grams of glutinous rice flour, 5 grams of sugar, 150 grams of cooked medium or short grain rice, 80 grams of water, around 200 grams of anko. It can be koshian, which is smooth, or tsubuan, which have some bean shape in them. Depends on your preference. If you also want to make kinako version, you'll need 40 grams of kinako, soybean flour, and about 20 grams of sugar. First, put 40 grams of glutinous rice flour into a microwave-safe container. Add 5 grams of sugar and 80 ml of water. Mix them well and microwave it for 40 seconds. Mix the liquid part and solid part together. We can use spatula to combine them well. Then microwave it for 20 seconds. Make sure it's cooked thoroughly. Add warm cooked rice and mix it really well. Microwave it for 30 seconds. Now, mochi part is ready. The mochi used in ohagi isn't the same as mochi used in daifuku. They still have some rice shape in them, and that gives a unique, nice texture for ohagi. I'll call it rice mochi in this video, as I don't think there is a name for it. Let's make plain ohagi first. Take about 30 grams of rice mochi and shape it like eggs. And take 50 grams of anko and make a ball. Flatten the anko to wrap the rice mochi. Put rice mochi on anko and wrap it like this. Use all left hand's fingers to wrap it while pushing rice mochi with your right hand's fingers. And put anko together once they are close enough. Then shape it nicely. And it's ready! When you touch rice mochi, make sure your hands are wet so it doesn't stick to your hands. I'm using homemade tsubuan and the texture is perfect to wrap it like this. You can check my how to make anko video so you can make it easily at home. I'll put the link in description box and you should also be able to find the link on the screen right now. If your anko is too soft to wrap it with your hands, you could use a cling wrap to wrap it easy, or you can put in a microwave to evaporate some moisture to harden it. Now, let's make kinako version. First, combine 40 grams of kinako and 20 grams of sugar. This time, we will wrap anko with rice mochi, so we'll need about 50 grams of rice mochi and 30 grams of anko. Flatten rice mochi and put anko on top. Wrap anko with rice mochi and stick the rice mochi together to close. Fix the shape. Then put it in the kinako mixture we've just made. Coat it with lots of kinako. and you can sprinkle more on top to have extra kinako. It's ready! いただきます。It's so easy to make and delicious. Please give it a try. I think it goes well with Japanese green tea or coffee. What do you think? Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye bye!